Hi everyone. So in our how to series today, we are going to see how you can use your anti-acne gels or creams. So generally when you are prescribed an anti-acne medication for application, a lot of people tend to complain of irritation and itchy sensation, burning, sometimes they're not able to tolerate it. So what can you do here, or rather how can you apply your anti-acne medications? So when you have spot acne eruptions, see that you take a very little bit of the gel or the cream. You can also use an earbud for easy application. Just put a spot where the pimple has erupted. Leave it for a very short contact of time. So you can start off with say 15-20 minutes and later progress per week as your skin's tolerability increases. On the other hand, if you are someone who's got acne all over your face, or you've got grade 1 and grade 2 acne over your forehead or your cheeks in particular, you can again take a very small quantity of the gel or the cream, apply it as a very thin layer, and again here leave it for a short contact period of about 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash it off with either a plain water or with a non-soap cleanser. So this will ensure that there is no irritation, there is no itching or a burning sensation, and will help you to tolerate your medicines better. In the second part, what you can also do is, after washing off the specific anti-acne gels or creams, you can apply a very little amount of a non-comedogenic moisturizer over the acne affected area. Thank you.